Welcome to PH 109, Epidemiology of Disease. My name is Vicki Kranz and I'm a professor in the Department of Public Health. I'll be your instructor this semester. I'd like to provide you with a brief orientation on how to navigate this course in Blackboard. It's important that you know where to find pertinent information, assignments, and assignment submission links. On the left side of the screen is the navigation banner. This banner displays the components of the course. As we begin, you will need to complete the course orientation. Once you've finished watching the video, please download a copy of the course syllabus to ensure that you understand the course and university policies, grading and assignments, and tentative schedule. Your orientation assignments are available in the Start Here link. You will need to have these assignments completed by Friday, January 19th at 11:59 p.m. Also notice in the banner is the announcements section. We will use this link throughout the semester, so you will need to check for announcements on a daily basis for updated information. Also, my contact information is available in the faculty information link. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions about this course or the syllabus. The syllabus grading rubrics link contains a copy of your course syllabus as well as the rubrics that are going to be used to grade you in the semester. Again, you will need to download a copy of the course syllabus and be familiar with the policies, grading, assignments, and schedule. Please keep in mind that our course schedule is tentative and may need to be adjusted to accommodate the pace that we cover lectures and assignments. Familiarize yourself with the grading rubrics that will be used for your assignments. We will have 3 tests this semester on your knowledge and understanding of the skills in epidemiology. I provided you with study guides to help assist you in your preparation, and as you study for the tests, you will find these under the study guides section. Throughout the semester, we will be calculating epidemiological measures. The problem set link provides you with problem sets to help practice these calculations. The problem sets will be graded as a part of your course participation points. You will not be scored on the number of correct responses, but only having completed the set. Prior to each test, we will go over the calculations and answers in class. Problem sets 2 and 3 will be available later in the semester, and I'll post an announcement for when each set is available. The course modules link will open into 10 modules. Each module corresponds to a chapter in the textbook. Also, with each module is a list of learning outcomes. This will assist you in understanding what you need to know and the skills that you need to be able to demonstrate for each module. Each module is organized to show your assignments, your module quiz, and any other assignments and lecture notes that are available within that module. Please note, you will have a quiz that covers the basic context from the textbook. It is expected that you come to class prepared with basic concepts. We're going to build on this information to address more complex ideas and applications. The quizzes must be completed at the beginning of each module and will be available for a maximum of 5 days. You will not be able to make up the quizzes once they are no longer available. So please check with announcements for when the modules are released and the quizzes are available and due. During the first week of the semester, you will be assigned to a group. Your group will work together to produce a course written paper and video presentation. These assignments are based on the data you and your group will gather on the implementation of our campus 100% smoke-free policy. You will be using an observational survey to collect data. We'll go into more detail after the groups have been formed. However, the observation study link will provide you with the observation study protocol and observation form. I'll create a group folder for each group to enable members to communicate effectively as well as upload your study documents from data collection efforts. Discussions are an important component of this course and will be graded as part of your participation points. Throughout the semester, discussion boards will be used to discuss a variety of epidemiological topics. You can access the discussion boards in the module folders as well as in the discussion folder. As a part of the assignments, you will need to post your thread or comment and then respond to a minimum of 3 other student posts. Please review the Netiquette guidelines that are available in the Syllabus Grading and Rubrics folder. Again, please be aware that of the due dates on your discussion boards. The Turnitin assignments link is where you will be submitting a number of your assignments, including your written paper, CHIS assignment, and NIH training certificate. There may be other written assignments required during the semester, and there will be a link created for them and will be made available at that time. Blackboard contains a number of course tools that will assist you throughout the semester. Please take time to familiarize yourself with these tools. As mentioned previously, your group will be creating a group video that presents your observation study. Once your video is completed, you will need to upload it into YouTube and send me a link to your video. Please do not send me the video itself. I will create a discussion board in the discussion board or the group video folder for each video that will allow everyone to view and comment your production. Finally, the help link will take you to Blackboard Help for Students. If you run into difficulties using Blackboard, this link is especially useful. Students who are unfamiliar with Blackboard and need tutorial help can access this platform. In addition, assistance on using Blackboard is available in the Henry Madden Library. I look forward to working with you this semester. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know.